pass, 7% will pass. What happens is because the expectation of industry is more, so you have to be the students who are passing, as I said, that they will be directly reporting to the board of directors of the company. So when they are reporting to the board of directors of the company, they should know thoroughly, they should know each and every aspect, what is there under various laws in force, what is there under the stock exchanges rules regulations, SEBI LODR, what we call as listing regulation. They should know about company law, they should know about corporate law, they should know about state laws, they should know about each and every aspect. So in order to train them in our course curriculum, there is a 21 months training for the students, for whom the students get trained in a company or in a practicing company secretary, and company secretary in practice or employer pay them a stipend. So the stipend may range from 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000. For example, Muru Group probably they may be paying around 10, 15, 20,000 to those particular students who after passing the executive join over there for the purpose of training. So similarly, big groups are there. Cholamandalam group is here. Many big groups are there. So it again depends upon a student. If a student is very good, you will find companies, practicing professional will be more and more interested to keep the student with them. So therefore, you will find that there is no fixed percentage. Depending upon how the student is, you will find the percentage increases or decreases.
Vice President, our institute headquarters on the New Delhi ICSI on the separate Act of Parliament constitute cheyappattadu. The Company Secretaries Act on the 1980 start pannadu. Compared to other two professions, that is Chartered Accountants Act on the 1949 constitute cheyappattadu. Cost Accountants Act on the 1959 constitute cheyappattadu. Enga Company Secretaries Act on the 1980 constitute cheyappattadu. மொத்தமா இந்தியால பாத்தீங்கன்னா 72 chapters இருக்கு. Southern India,
I do not want to say below average, but they are into every field. Probably they may take one more attempt. So therefore, for them it may take 4 years, as you rightly say, 4 or 5 years. But for a good student who is academically sound, academical bright, 3 ವರ್ಷ pass.
June and December le mundu mari attempts idu. So June la fail aayiningina December la
and eligibility and fees it is.
So
eligibility and fees
+2
10 plus 2
and fees for every stage, that is CACET, executive and professional, and there are exam fees. Total fees will not go beyond 20,000.
When you engineering medical la eduthingana nare lakhs and lakhs avayum.
And in the fees you will get the books also.
Study
material is provided by us, and on that exam is done.
அப்புறம் வந்து அந்த ட்ரைனிங் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கு, 24 months ட்ரைனிங் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். அது வந்து கம்பெனிஸ்ல பண்ணலாம், இல்லனா எங்க மாதிரி பிராக்டிசிங் கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரிஸ் கூட பண்ணலாம். அது ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணலாம் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்.
21 months practical training,
3 months
EDP training, communication skill, soft skill, all.
Key managerial personnel like a company secretary, along with the board of directors, managing director, chief executive officer, chief finance officer. Company secretary is also a key managerial personnel. Legal compliance on the Jasti.
Thank you.
Thank you.